In this video, we are going to understand about a data type. Programming languages in general works on the type of data to produce an output. For example, if we go to an ATM, we insert the card and then enter the PIN. The PIN that we enter is the data that will be used for further processing and displays our account details. Similarly, if we log into Gmail or Yahoo Mail, we enter our mail ID and password, and that is the data that will be used for authentication and opens our mailbox. These kind of dynamic data should be stored somewhere to process it. The same applies for static data as well. To store this data, we assign it to a variable, say an alphabet or a word. Along with it, we also need to specify what kind of value it is. Is it a numeric type or a string type, and so forth. Based on the type of data, specific operations can be performed on it. So, it is always required to understand the different data types in any programming language so that appropriate data types can be used for further processing. Hey guys, hope you understood why we need a data type in a programming language. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me at techietalkee@gmail.com. Happy learning and have a great day.